Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are discussing a second lesson from your arithmetic section, and that is playing with numbers. In previous videos you learned the even number, odd number, prime number, composite number, twin prime number, perfect numbers, and we have solved most of the examples from your exercise 2.2. In today's class, we are going to learn about how to find the prime factors. So, finding prime factors. Finding prime factors. Finding prime factors. Finding prime factors. So before this, just recall what are these prime numbers. So let us take here one example 2, and it is there in 1 ones a table and 2 ones a table. Let us take 3, it is also there in 1 ones a table and 3 ones a table. Again you take 11, it is there in 1 ones a table and 11 ones a table. Okay. So these a number which has only two factors, 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. I hope you are getting my point. A number which has only two factors, 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. So here they will give one example, and you have to find the prime factors by tree method and by division method. See here, then let us take one example. I will take here 24 I will take here, and first of all I will solve through division method. Division method, and here you take tree method, factor tree method. Okay, so see here, so division method, take here 24, and while dividing don't take directly here 12 2s are 6 4s are 24. No, while you are dividing you must and should take only prime numbers, because see here we are finding here prime factors of 24. Don't take here 6 4s are directly. So let us take here with 2. Okay, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So how I divided this? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again this 12 will divide with 2. Take here 2, 2 4s are, sorry not 2 4s are, 2 6s are, 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12. See here 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12. Again you take here 2, 2 3s are, 2 3s are 6. Again you take here 3, 3 1s are 3. See here 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So here hence the factors of 24 are, see here right here 2, yes, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So you just observe this 2 and 3 are prime numbers, isn't it? So here 2 and 3 are prime numbers are there. So this type you need to find the prime factors of the given method by division method. Okay, see here 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Next you write here 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so this type you have to find the what prime factors. For this you need more and more practice. Okay, while solving you solve whichever the examples solved by me, then you try the examples from your textbook. Okay, so here tree method is there, so 24 is there. So take here how much it will come. Yes, here also you can take 2 12s also, or you can take 3 8s are 24. Yes, 3 8s are 24, 3 8s are 24. Here you stop it because already I got 3 as a prime factor. Next you take here 2 4s are, 2 4s are, you take 2 4s are. Next you take 2 2s are. Okay, stop here only. Okay, see here, 3 8s are 24, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. This type you have to follow the 3 method. You have to split the numbers. 3 8s are 24, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So just see here, the by factor tree method, the factors of 24, the prime factors of 24 are 3, 2, 2 and 2. Okay, so here, so this is how we are finding the prime factors of the number. So let us take here few more examples from your exercise 2.2. Find all the factors of the given numbers. See here they have not mentioned which method you have to use here, by division method or by factor tree method. I will use here division method. Which one is convenient to you, know that method you can follow, but I will follow here division method. So let us take second one. Second one, find all the factors of the given numbers. Find all the prime factors of the given numbers. So this is from your exercise 2.2. From exercise 2.2. So let us take here one example. 20, 24, no, here I will take 36. So 36 is there. Take here 36 and divide with 2. 2 1s are 2. Okay, 2 1s are 2 and take here 1 remain. 2 8s are 16. Again you take here 2. 2 9s are 18. Why I took here with, I started with 2 because 2 is a prime number. 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18. If you are getting a confusion, divide like this. 36 divided by 2, 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. Again you take here 6 down. 2 8s are 16. 6 minus 6 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. See here, the whatever the quotient is there, no, that you need to write here. So there is no need to do this all these steps. You can do this as a rough work or you can do directly like this. Okay, for your understanding purpose I have solved here. Next you take here 9 is there. So here this is there in 3 1s a table. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So the factors of the prime factors of the 36 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So this type you are going to find the prime factors of the given number. Okay. So let us take one more example. I will take here 250. I will take here 250. See here 250. Yes, directly I will take here 5 because 5 is a prime number. So take here 5 5s are 25 and this 0 as it is. 5 5s are 25 and this you keep 0 as it is. If you are getting confusion, then divide like this. 250 divided by 5, you will get 50 as a quotient. Next you take here 5 10s are 50. Next again you take 5 2s are 10 and again you take 2 1s are 2. If you are dividing with 2, that is also correct, but I took here directly 5 50s are 5 10s are 5 2s are 2 1s are. So take here 250 is there, no? So its prime factors are 5 into 5 into 5 into 2. 5 into 5 into 5 into 2. Okay. So next I will take one more example and that is 95. I am solving these examples from your exercise 2.2 second main. So take here I will take 135. 135 is there. So directly you take 5 1s are. So here I will take 5 2s are 10 10 and here you take 3, 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are 10 and 3 remain, here you write 7. So see 27 is there in 3 1s are table, take here 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 5 27s are 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. Okay, so write here 135 is equal to 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. So this type you have to find the prime factors of the number. So let us take one more example from your exercise, and I will take here 64. So just try this example, just check it out. This number will divide with which number? Yes, this number will divide with 2. Okay, so take here 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again you take here 2, 2 1s are 2 and 1 remain, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are and 2 1s are, 2 32s are 64, 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Okay, so the prime factors of 64 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 2 into 2. Okay, so this type you have to find the prime factors. See here, for this you need more practice, so please keep practicing this kind of examples. In today's class you learned how to find the prime factors of the numbers. This method is very useful in future. If you know this, then only you are going to solve LCM and HCF examples. So please keep practicing this kind of examples. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.